Showtime Grand Finalists, Pinoy Big Brother Big Five winner, Celebrity Edition, stand-up host comedian, star magic artist, content creator, FB page, brain damage with 3 million followers on counting, YouTube sensation with book subscribers counting, social media influencer, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Brenda Page. Our next judge is currently connected at the local government unit of the Lemoyne at the Municipal Tourism Office. Member of Borio Mindanao Incorporation, Association of Festival Choreographers, and
Ariana Grande! Ah!
for Culture and
Ariana Grande mucho!
Congratulations and Exchange Episode 16 in the year 2020 from 2016 to 2019 and 2023. Awarded as Gold Award holder.
Judge! Judge! Brenda! Judge! Brenda! Nanay nung kasi.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Nanay sa Mandawa.
Mr. Antonio Mandawa.
Tira mo ha. Tanawa mo. Tanawa mo ha o yung anak mo ha. Andiyan anak mo. Tira mo.
Mr. James Sees buses include those that connect the San Bernardo or the indigenous people of Cebu. They usually include headdresses, body painting, and other utterance specific to the Cebu Festival. Overall, the Cebu Festival costume visually represent the rich culture and tradition of Cebu and the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 1.
Yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it's all present. Thank you.
May kinabahan?
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 2, Mr. Robert Mendoza. It is a religious festival of Thanksgiving celebration, honor and technological blessings from the West Trasmicoa Maria de la Candelaria, also known as Our Lady of the Candles. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 2.
Ang ngalan mo, bibigyan mo, kaya ako. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, no words can explain how happy I am. Because finally, I found equality in the college of hospitality. And I don't see any problem with that at all. Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? We don't have a problem. To the faculty and staff of the Hospitality Management Department, let's talk after the show. Let's have a coffee. The lady standing in front of you has the 23XX chromosomes and 23XY chromosomes that makes me extraordinary tonight. where Quintavo Festival is celebrated, the first-class municipality of Misamis Oriental. Sa among mga kauban ng kandidata, pagtamo na mo, kaya nga na, Tagirol!
I believe, dili tanan bamog, bulubad, tanan, mukapakapara. And I thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our winner, number 4, Mr. Alec Dominguez. Together with girls, the Cosmos purely inspired by natural heroes and our girls, remember the Cosmos, the goddess of growth. Just to give you a trivia, Girl Friday has been significant economic.
Ano mo siya?
Ay,
David!
Which was measured by 9.4 units. The crown literally symbolized
Wow! No.
and power, which was made up of hundreds of palm pearls. The factories, which is inspired from Paglobo or giant pearls,
Alam mo,
was
naaawa ko sa'yo.
made from Bangkok and embellished with white pearls and gemstones. This represents the treasures of the sea. Give it up for candidate number 4.
Tonight, we celebrate the beauty with a purpose, equality, and camaraderie. Wearing a national costume inspired by goddess of pearls. This is Alan Dominguez Silva to level up, proudly representing the seniors!
Yung daw nagsasalita, hindi pa isara.
Candidate number 1, Mr. Rochelle Abbott. The tuna festival is a mega festival that celebrates fish and other seafood. There is a plausible explanation for why people celebrate fish. Since the city is the country's tuna capital, the fish has generated a lot of jobs for the people there. This boosted the city's economy and improved the lives of many workers, especially the fishermen. General Santa City is the home of the Sen Festival. Above all, don't miss to buy fresh, high-grade tuna at the fish port. Bring them home or ask a local to cook them for you. You can bring your tuna as pasalubong if you're up for it. Jinsan Tuna Festival will also remind you of the richness and biodiversity of the Philippines. Sis. Give it up for candidate number 5.
Ako ang babae, nagwanak sa langit, nahulog sa lupa, na ang mukha. Ako ang si Angel of Sin, all the way from the Palayan City representing Kaakola Festival. Thank you.
lugares. Kabulan Festival is a multicultural festival held annually at Malibara City, Bukidnon, in the Philippines from the second half of February to March 10. The anniversary date of the foundation of Bukidnon as a province of 1970. It is held to celebrate the culture and tradition of the seven ethnic tribal groups, Bukidnon, Igaunon, Malande, Manugo, and Matigsalo. We also have the Tigohanon and Umayangnon that originally inhabit the province. It is the only authentic ethnic festival of the Philippines. Give it up for candidate number 6.
We're living in an entity of freedom, fairness, equality, impartiality, because God started all. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a fresh, indeed, third-year student of Naguat Community College. Tonight, we are gathered here not to celebrate our femininity. We are gathered here to diminish discrimination. Standing in front of you tonight, advocating gender equality. Ladies and gentlemen, what is gender equality? Gender equality, also known as sexual equality, it is a state of equal access to resources and opportunities regardless of gender. It doesn't mean that male and female become the same, but the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities will the same. As a member of LGBTQIA+, we are Narasa Malete. It means walang ilan. Once again, I am Rochelle Africana Apon. Ako po ay bahagi ng Bahaan. Tonight, I am wearing a Sinodal Festival